Jeter, 1-of-1 auto. Dual logo man, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell. Oh, that's filthy. Here we go, 8604 Tier 1 baseball kicking off our Tuesday night of breaks. Let's get into it. To the team list to start. There it is. We've got a nasty serial closer as well. Like all the teams in the serial are all in that same group. Like this is going to be good. Smart buy on a serial spot for those who hopped in on that. And then here we go 3 times for serial numbers on names and numbers. 1, 2, 3 on names. Scotty J down to Madoc. Three times on numbers. 1, 2, 3. 8 down to 5. Here we go. Scotty J, 8. Mezcal, 0. North Dakota, 9. Junior, 7. C. Robeson, 4. JD, 1001 with 1. Suck on it, 2. Tech Ninja, 6. Mez, 3. And Madoc, 5. Here we go. And then Tier 1 Bundesliga, the only thing left for that one is the 5 spots in the combo closer that were left on the site. And then that one's ready to go next. I've already got I like the optics of a closer once that's full that has Immaculate Collegiate, has NT Collegiate Football, and has Metal Universe Champions. The price works out perfectly on that. So excited to see that after we finish this combo closer this up. All righty, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. I think we're due for a cut auto. Been a while. Throwing something out there, you know. Tyler O'Neill to 349 for the St. Louis Cardinals. Terwilliger, you got it. You got it. Next, dang, right out of the gate, 9 of 10. Alfonso Rivas for the Cubs. C. Robeson, there you go. Rookie auto to 10 for the Chicago Cubs. And Teoscar Hernandez, 299 for Toronto. Allen, Tier 1 talent autograph. Yeah, right, C. Robeson? Bang, bang, right out of the gate. He out of 10. Did you say Dustin Pedroia, 81? Dustin Pedroia to 349 for Boston. For Baltimore, 170 of 399. Ryan Mountcastle going to Mez with the 0 spot, 170. Tony Santillan, 109 of 299 for Cincinnati. North Dakota with the 9 spot. And Carl Yastrzemski for Boston. The 75. I'll put Yaz up. The 75 Yaz for the Red Sox, 81. It's nice. Gleyber Torres for the Yankees at 399. Allen. For Tampa, Austin Meadows to 299. Tier 1 talent auto. And Seth Beer, Arizona Max. Rookie auto to 299, Seth Beer. Oh, hot damn. Stanton for the Yanks with a moonshot tonight. Allen. Paul DeYoung for the Cardinals to 299. Terwilliger. And for the Braves, Austin Riley, JD 1001. Austin Riley auto for the Atlanta Bravos. I was say this one's thicker. Either have a double hit here or it feels pretty dense. I don't know if it's a double hit. Oh, we got a fatty. A lot of times these are buttons. We're gonna find out real quick. Wink! It's a button. Chipper Jones to 5. JD 1001. Button. 4 of 5. And then we got a fatty next too. What the crap? Wait, actually, that might be just a jersey relic. Yeah, that's the thickness of a jersey relic. Moncada to 25 for the White Sox. That is 16 of 25. Tech Ninja, yours. Moncada Dooley. For Texas, Glenn Otto to 299. Madak. And nice to 199. Darryl Strawberry for the Mets, 81. You like strawberries? I know you're a grape jelly guy, but oh. $349 for the Mets, 81 strikes, Tom Glavine. Charlie Barnes for the Twins, Dubs. Rookie auto to $299. You know, how about a Vlad Jr. auto to 99? Allen, 8 of 99, Vlad Jr. We'll get him up. Next one's nice, too. Christian Yelich, 84 of 149 for the Brew Crew. C. Robeson, 84 of 149. Yelich for Milwaukee. Well, first half, didn't suck. Chipper Jones button, Yaz auto to 75, Vladdy to 99. Only halfway through. Got the makings of a good case. Devin Williams, $399 for Milwaukee. That is 102 of $399. Suck on it. That's going to you. Oh, we have a redemption here. Uh-oh. Those could be freaky in this. Colton Welker, 152 of $299. Colorado. Suck on it. Joey Votto to 99. That is 8. 8 of 99. Scotty J. Nice Votto from the cereal. And then we've got ourselves a redemption here. Dual auto tier 1 relic book. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Give me numbering on this, Scotty. Dual auto tier 1 relic book card. Hold on, I gotta get it. I want to get a decoy in here. I'm not like, if it's something crazy, I chuck the Colton Welker and he gone. Guys ready? Of. I have a feeling this is going to be good. Nolan Arenado and Yadier Molina for the Cardinals, M.W. Terwilliger. 2 platinum gloves right there. Numbered to 10. Dual auto, dual relic booklet. Oh boy. Wow. That's a hit. I love this stuff so much. Golly. Zach Wheeler for Philadelphia, Van Pelt. $3.99 on the jersey. Chris Taylor for the Dodgers, number to $2.99. Super Mario Kart champion. Oh, nice. Edgar Martinez, 3 of 25 for Seattle. Junior. Nice E-Mart. And, wait, is this who? Hey, 81. How about a Pete Alonso auto to $199 for the Mets? You asked for 2 guys, and I gave you both. Whoa. Alonso to $199 for the Mets. 81 strikes. Who's your boy? Willie Adames, 25 of 399. Madak. He takes requests, people. Rookie auto Angel Rondon for the Cardinals, number to 299. Look at that, Reggie. Oh, my. 7 of 10, Junior. From the serial closer, Reggie Jackson. Nasty. 7 of 10. Nasty card. Look at this case already. We got 3 boxes left. Holy mama. MW Terwilliger. Congrats, by the way. I just saw you pop in the chat. Holy cow. What a card there. How about a Big Poppy for 81, number to 399. Lars Nootbaar for the Cardinals, MW Terwilliger. Rookie auto to 299. And CC for the Milwaukee Brewers, 87 of 99, Junior. Old CC from, look how big he looks in that. I get it, he's big. With the sleeves like up in the air because of like the way he's throwing. I mean, come on, Topps. You could have helped him out a little bit. Holy cow. JT Ramudo, Van Pelt, $3.99. Kent Herbeck for the Minnesota Twins, Dubs. And Josh Donaldson for the Minnesota Twins, the 99. Dubs back to back. And last box of another just ridiculous case. The stuff is unbelievable. Our run of cases on this stuff has just been incredible. Harmon Killebrew for the Twins. Legends Bat Relic to 99. That's 3 Twins in a row, C-Dubs. For the Cubs, Manuel Rodriguez at 299. See, Robeson, I think we're ending with a relic auto. We are. The 75, why not? Bo Jackson, C. Robeson, the 75. Bat autograph. I mean, what a case. What a case. Bo Jackson, the 75 bat auto on the back. 8604 Tier 1 baseball. Let's go, baby. Another night of heaters.